I'm in my back room looking out the window, and it looks like there's a lion back there.
But first, is a lion roaming the streets of Franklin Township? One woman says it's true, and she claims she saw it this morning. Good evening, I'm Megan O'Rourke. Mark Allen and Katie Usen have the night off. We spoke to that woman who tells us she saw a giant cat that looked like a lion while she was in the yard of her home. The sighting prompted school officials to keep children inside while police went in search of the big cat. Rob Sneed has been working for you, looking for the answers to the sighting that has an entire community talking.
Well, Megan, a couple claims to have spotted the lion, but even still, residents can't believe a wild animal would run rampant in their neighborhood. They hope it's not true. A Warren County neighborhood is a little shaken up, and it all started after Tina Workman took a peek out her window around 9:30 this morning.
I looked out the window and it looked like a huge cat.
Workman couldn't believe her eyes. She says she saw a lion and called her husband to take a look.
I went to get my camera and I was trying to take pictures of it, and my batteries was dead, so I couldn't get no pictures.
While she kept a close eye on the cat in her yard, 2 Warren County deputies arrived on the 9400 block of Marcella Avenue in Franklin Township. They searched for the lion for an hour, but didn't see any signs of one.
But if it was a cat, it was the biggest cat I ever seen.
But word got around fast in this neighborhood, and residents couldn't believe their ears.
Well, I was shocked, actually. I thought, a lion in this neighborhood, and I'm out here working in my yard, and I'm looking around, where's this lion?
Unbelievable. Don't really know what to say.
Though authorities took this claim seriously, they tell me they're no longer investigating it. In the meantime, Workman believes she saw a lion, and she says she will keep a close eye out from now on.
Yes, I'm concerned. We shouldn't have things like that around here. And if someone's got one, they ought to let someone know.
And as a precautionary measure, a nearby school did not allow their kids out for recess. And again, authorities say they're no longer looking into Workman's claims. Reporting live, Rob Sneed, 2 News, working for you.